If you like to own a free domain name, you can go to freenom.com and you'll see a page like this. This website allows you to buy domain name without paying for anything. And it's true. So if I just go to this price chart down here, you see that if I want to register a domain name with .tk, ml, ga, cf, or gq, I don't have to pay for anything. And I can continue to renew it as long as I want. So let's go ahead and create a free domain name. So let's try the word Codora dot, let's say, GQ. Check for availability. And it's available. Therefore, I'm just going to grab this domain name right here. So I'm going to go to checkout button here. And the period that I want to use this domain name for free, I can register this up to a year over here. So what you need to do is once your domain has expired within that first year, you just have to come and renew it. That's the only catch. Alright, so I click on continue. So then I have to create an account. First, I need to verify my email address. So I'll enter my email address here. Click on this. So next, I need to verify my email address. You should get an email from Freenom like this and click on this link to verify. And you need to enter your details. Now, these are the details that you'll be used to link to your domain name. So ensure that you enter your actual details. Then you have to create a password. Check this and click on complete order. Great. So now you have an order number, which is this. Next, click on here to go to your client area and go to services here. Click on my domains and you see that you have successfully owned a free domain name right over here with the registration date here, expiry date, and it is now active. Here I shortlisted 4 free web hosting providers that you can use for absolutely free. Now the first one is Byet, or if that's how they pronounce it. If you go to byet.host/free-hosting, you will see this page. Now they promise you that you will get unlimited free hosting without any ads shown here. Now this is really too good to be true when I first start. So let's go down and take a look at what do they offer. They offer you unlimited disk space, control panel, MySQL and PHP support, and a lot more. They even offer you an SSL certificate, which is a self-signed certificate. Well, it's not that great, but at least there is an SSL support. So this is definitely one choice that I would highly recommend you to use. The other choice that you can take is to go to freehosting.com and you will see this page down here. If you scroll down, you'll find all the things that they offer. Of course, you can host your WordPress website. So what they offer is actually 10 gigabytes of this space. That's all. Well, 10 gigabytes is a lot actually. So if you scroll down, now the catches are all here. They don't offer you free domain hosting and they cannot let you host free domain names such as those available on freenom.com, which is the .tk, ml, ga, and so on. That's the biggest catch that I don't like here. Other than that, if you're hosting your own domain name, you can go ahead and try this, freehosting.com. So the other catches are here. So they do not provide any services to people from Brazil, Cuba, Iran, Vietnam, and so forth. For more details, you can always go down and have a look here. The other choice is go to 5gbfree.com. And you will see that they offer you a 5 GB free hosting account with all these features. 5 GB is not bad. Another one is at 000webhost.com. And you see this page. They offer you a totally free web hosting account with just 1 GB. Well, at least it's still gigabyte. The rest of the other free web hosting providers actually offer you less than 1 GB. So which is why we only shortlisted this few. So if we scroll down here, we will find that these are all the features that they offer, including cPanel. So I'm going to go ahead and register a free plan with byet.host. So under this page here, I will scroll down, click on sign up for a plan. So first, I have to select a subdomain name. So I'm just going to enter Koodora and password and click on register. So I need to confirm my email address. So you should get an email from byet.host like this. I'm not sure why it goes to my spam box. And I'm just going to go ahead and activate my account. So once your account has been created, you should get another email from byet.host, which is something like this. So if you scroll down here, you will get all the details for you to log in. So this is a link to the cPanel. So this is how their Vista panel looks like. So the next step is for us to add our domain name. Scroll down. Under Domains, click on Add on Domains. This is where we will add our own domain name. So for this example, I will use koodora.gq. So remember that I need to go to freenom.com to change the name server for this domain name to point to these name servers. So now I'm logged in on freenom.com. I'll click on Services and My Domains. Here I get to see my domain name here. So under here, click on Manage Domain. Click on Management Tools and select Name Servers. Then select Use Custom Name Servers here. So I need to enter the name servers of byet.host. So return to my cPanel. I will copy this. Return to Freenom and paste it here. And this will be the NS2. Then click on Change Name Servers. Right, so changes have been saved. So what I need to do next is to return to Vista panel here. Since I've done this step here, I'll click on Add Domain. So you see that I have this error mentioned here. This is because the name server has not propagated to this web hosting account. so I will probably need more time. So once you successfully added your domain name, you should see a message like this. Great. So let's go ahead and check out our website. Click on a new tab